The purpose of this presentation and series of chapters is to explain how to upload bank statements into MyOb software. Again, there are different accountancy packages around. At Expert Software Systems, we use MyOb primarily for our processing offshore because it's a standardized accounting program widely used in Australia. The general agenda here is just to quickly talk about a CSV file. CSV files are the formats that you can download from a bank. The good news is CSV files are free. The bad news is some banks don't allow you to access these files except for only 1 or 2 months back. It depends on what institution you're with, but quite a few banks have let you go back a year or more and download all your transactions through a CSV file. If you download a CSV file, you get a lot of information about your transactions at a bank. You'll get the date of the transaction, you'll get all the details, particularly if you're using FPOS and credit card type accounts. You'll get all the information connected with what that transaction was about, and of course you get the amount. The idea then is that not only can these be downloaded for free, but then you can import them into your accounting software and save an awful lot of time with processing. Unfortunately, there is a downside, and that is you have to clean up the information for that import to take place effectively. And the presentation you're about to see explains in detail how to do this. The final point about these sort of things is that uploading is about time saving. You can sit there and code in all your checks and payments and enter all the data, and that can take a lot of time if you're doing several hundred or even 1,000 transactions. Why not clean up the data electronically, get it organized, and you import it, and it literally will take you half an hour to an hour to import 1,000 or 2,000 entries. It isn't hard to do as long as you pay attention to the detail. There are commercial services where you can upload your bank statements and you pay a monthly fee, and that tends to work very well because what you're partly paying for is the quality of the data matching up with the accounting program that you're using. What people don't realize, however, particularly if you're in small business, is that there are low cost and efficient ways of doing this. The final issue in regards to Expert Software Systems and the reason for this presentation. This presentation, as mentioned, is freely available for those people at the site, and you're welcome to use the work papers and to troubleshoot and put on the blog any comments that you have. But at Expert Software Systems, it's these sort of presentations that form the core model of why our processing is accurate. We have checklists and detailed videos like this that offshore accountants use that make them and help them understand Australian base accounting products and to get it right. And remember, the idea behind offshoring, of course, is to access high quality accounting labour that can process relatively straightforward transactions and deliver these solutions very cost effectively. So please have a look at the comments in the course, and if you have any queries, please go to the blog.